Welcome to step 4 of the buyer's steps to purchasing a home. In step 3, we talked about how you found a home to make an offer on, the conversations that led to that decision, and some of the tools we used to find the home. This is where the culmination of our previous efforts got us to the next steps of finding you a home that you want to make an offer on, and this is where a knowledgeable and experienced realtor becomes worth their weight in gold. A great realtor keeps their clients' best interests in mind and will help them create a strong offer when competing against other buyers. They'll also create a market analysis to verify the house is reasonably priced for that neighborhood and advise the buyers of their options based on that research. In a seller's market, there are more buyers than houses. That's what inherently makes it a seller's market. It's the law of supply and demand, where competition can be fierce and cause prices to escalate. In a buyer's market, it's the opposite. There are more houses for sale than buyers waiting in line to snap them up. Right now, in the last half of 2022, demand has been softening a little and the market is shifting in favor of buyers. So it can be a great time to buy since there's a little bit less competition. If you find these videos helpful, please like, subscribe, share them, and click that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the new information. When a buyer wants to make an offer, the realtor should call the listing agent and see how much activity they've had on their listing, whether they have any offers in hand, how many offers, and ask what features and terms the buyer can include in their offer that are important to the seller. The listing agent may not be at liberty to say, but if, for instance, they can say the sellers are hoping for a quick closing because the home is vacant, or they want to delay the closing date because they still live there and need time to find a replacement home, or they may even need to lease back the property from the buyer for a period of days or weeks after the closing day. An experienced realtor asks questions and knows the right questions to ask. They can craft a great offer, which is not always 100% about money, but can also be about making the terms of the offer most agreeable to the seller. Honestly, I can recall more than a few buyer's offers accepted for different reasons, even when it wasn't the highest. The dollar amounts may have been close, yes, but the terms my buyers had the flexibility to offer either closely or identically matched the seller's needs. I've also seen offers accepted because the listing agent knew the local lender the buyers were using and was confident they would get the loan closed. Okay, now we've talked about finding a home to make an offer on, and it was accepted. So watch the next video, step 5 in the series, to learn the next steps in the buying process. My name is Robert Chambers with the Chambers Group at Engel Volkers Colorado Springs.